Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your OneXBet account in Khalti. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional OneXBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, you go to your menu, then at the upmost right corner, go to settings. Once in settings, go to withdraw from account. Once in withdraw from account, you're going to choose a method of withdrawal proper in Khalti. In this case, I'm not in Khalti, so I don't have a proper method to withdraw in Khalti, but in your case, you're going to see a method of withdrawal proper for you in Khalti. Fill in the different fields asked for you and withdraw your funds.